Okay, we live? We better be. Looks like it. Let's go. No, not on YouTube yet. Come on. Come on, YouTube. Catch up. Catch up, YouTube. Will ya? Will ya? Bloody YouTube. Bastard. Okay, surely. Still sending data, dude. Why is YouTube so slow? Receive my data, YouTube. Come on. I'm gonna buy Twitter X and we'll try Grok. How much is it? 260 a year. Dude, it's actually kind of expensive. What the hell? What do you get? Reply boost. Edit post, longer post, undo post, post longer videos, download videos, write articles, get paid to post. That's pretty cool. I like how it's like a revenue share. What's X Pro? Powerful real-time tool to monitor who's live. People who live on X. Monitor multiple timelines. I'm not sure what that means. Analytics, check mark. Okay. I might just try it on the monthly. I don't think I'm ready to commit for a year. Yeah, Brutal Strike, what's up? How expensive is it? It's ridiculous. I'm caving in. I'm buying it. I'm buying Twitter Blue. I'll give you my review, but I don't know where cave. I gotta verify my phone number. Let me do that on the side here. How are you doing, Brutal Strike? Good to see I caught you at a good time. I'm just verifying my phone here for Twitter X. Dude, my sub goal is broken as well. Bloody Botrix. Okay. I'm about to do it. I'm about to pay with Stripe. Oh my god, another phone. Let's see. Man, it's getting me to verify so many different ways. I'll show you guys the agenda while we do that. This is the agenda. I'm going to be looking into O1 by Open Interpreter. I have my Mac set up, I think. Because, yeah, pretty much I think it only worked on Mac initially. So, yeah, we'll be testing that. Oh, I should let my Discord know I'm live as well. Okay, I think we did it. You're all set. Let's go. So I think Grok generally isn't as good as the other big ones like GPT-4 and Claude Opus. But one thing it does have that the others don't have is access to all the tweets. Oh, my account needs to be reviewed. But I think I can still use Grok. Fucking X confetti. So let's try Grok. Okay. So let's see if we can ask about what have people talked about open interpreters ROS, thank you for the sub. Open interpreters 01 today. Can it do that? Zuzana, thank you for the sub. And I don't know why my sub bar isn't moving. It's pretty annoying about that. Pretty annoyed about that, rather. Kakuka, thank you. I don't know if these are actually, I don't think they're people that are live now. It's just people that have subbed in the past or something. I'm gonna check if we could get my sub number. Cheeky Woo, thank you. Wait, is there a live YouTube sub count? Go live, thank you for the follow. Here, Social Blade. Tech friend. Wizard at play. See, they all come at the same time at the start of the stream. That's why I'm a bit sus about it. And they're not in chat. So I think... Oh, Go Live is though. So I guess maybe the Twitch ones are real. Hey, Go Live. You've been following my Instagram. Excellent. Good to see you on Twitch. You get to see one of the streams live. All of my Instagram and TikToks are from the stream. So this, you're getting them before everyone. And recently I've been like 2 weeks late to post the TikToks and Reels. So if you're viewing it on the stream, you get it pretty much 2 weeks before anyone. But you can also view it on my VODs on Twitch and YouTube anytime. The Fast Void, thanks for the follow. Yeah, it doesn't look like I have a live count thing like other people do. Oh, here we go, live subscriber count. 30, 40. Deja vu, okay. Does that increase it? No. So it's a scam. AFD. See, I'm getting all these subs, but the numbers aren't going up. So that's why I think Botrix is a scam. The Legend. Hey, what's up? Good to see you again. Go Live says, I really want to start off with AI and everything that has been going on in the current scenario. Could you please suggest some good resources? There's so much, Go Live. I think you have to find like a niche you're interested in and go towards that. What kind of stuff are you interested in? Do I have my own YouTube? Yeah, definitely. Same channel, same name, Tech Friend. I just posted a video today about one of my favorite tools. Oh, why is this in videos? That's not good. This should be in shorts. I might actually delete this and re-upload it. That's a bit silly. I meant to post that as a short. I don't know why it came like that. I'm just gonna hide it for now. Yo, Kez, what's up? You're gonna grab a couple Tesla P100s. Awesome. Actually, someone else on the Discord tried to do that. They grabbed 2. Raider Duck. You should ask them about it. I'm not sure what they're up to. 47. Okay, this is wrong as well because this says 40, but this says 47. I don't know. I'm gonna keep that open here. Keep an eye on this. All right. Yeah, I was gonna try Grok. I asked it something about what people could have been posting, and this is the response it gave me. Develop a preview by open interpreter. So this is pretty good. This is like up to date. That's true. I have O1 Lite. This is all information they would have gotten from actual Twitter and not actually in Grok's training data. So that's actually pretty impressive. But can I ask what are some quotes of the replies and comments to this topic? I wonder if we can give quotes. The Fast Void asks what OS are you using? This is just Windows at the moment. Go Live says what niches are available? So many, like anything they can put AI on, they've put AI on. So whatever you're interested in, gaming, coding, social media, marketing. You're starting to create content yourself. The Fast Void. Nice. Struggling with imposter syndrome. Yeah, I mean, that always is the case when you're starting something new. I'd say, like, don't say something confidently if you're not confident in it, but, you know, definitely, like, try to form your opinions, be open-minded, be ready to be wrong. Have you posted anything? What do I search? I guess maybe on Twitch. That's kind of my experience, but like feeling imposter syndrome is normal, especially when you're new. GoLive says they're into chatbots and using LLMs. Yeah, great. So have you tried all the different providers? That's one thing you could do. You could run your own local LLMs. What are you trying to get the chatbots to do? Oh, you haven't released anything yet, just a Dutch YouTube, no problem. Okay, and now I've asked Grok about some quotes. Oops, I just messed up everything. I've asked Grok about some quotes about the O1 Lite project, and it's able to give me some, it seems. An interesting tool to run ChatGPT like code interpreter. Interestingly, it doesn't give the source though. I was kind of hoping that would happen. So I can't really tell if this is something it just made up or it's actual quotes. Seems legit because this is, I think this is the actual version of the new computer update. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. You can kind of ask it about like recent events. So let's say like there's this new thing that I was gonna try later called Davinka. I probably won't test it on the stream. I might, but pretty much like I'm sure if you're into coding, you've heard of Devin, the AI software engineer. People recently came out with Davinka, which is an open source version of Devin. So that's pretty cool. Now I'm gonna ask Grok if he's heard of any open source versions of Devin and see if it knows about Davinka. Has anyone came up with an open source version of Devin, the AI software engineer? GoLive says talk with my own data. Davinka sounds Indian. Yeah, it's definitely an Indian thing. Look, the picture is an Indian lady. Pretty sure it's an Indian lady name. There's an open source project called OpenDevin. I've actually also seen that one. But I don't think this one has any commits. Or like not many. Whereas Davinka is actually kind of ready to go. Yeah, I don't think they've actually built anything, whereas Davinka like actually has UI, has the browser, chat interface. Seems pretty cool, very similar to Devin. What other projects are there? Mention their GitHub. Oh, did a search. I don't know if you saw that. Davinka, yeah, there you go. That's awesome. So it's actually pretty good for like knowing up-to-date stuff. I underestimated Grok. And here's one that I haven't even heard of. Codal by Codal Dev. And it hallucinated this repository, it seems. What about the user? User doesn't exist either. Codal Dev Codal AI. I have no idea where it came out. I wonder if we can ask what user. Which user created Codal? Oh, GoLive's from India. Cool. The user who created Codal is not explicitly found. I don't know. Did it hallucinate that? I can't find anything on Codal. Oh, there's that. I don't know. It seems like it. Oh, here we go. By Seamancer. Oh, this looks just like it as well. This is super low key. Only 65 stars. Runs in Docker. Doesn't have a browser yet. The UI looks nice. It's pretty cool. Guada Architect says, which AI should I use for architecture? I have no idea, but what I normally suggest to people is to check, there's an AI for that.com. You can search architecture here. I spelled it wrong, probably. Did I? Architectural design, architectural planning, there's a bunch of different ones. Architect AI. I don't know. I haven't tried any of these, but go to this website and do some searching, try them out, and hopefully you'll find something good. I assume you meant building architecture. Or do you mean software architecture? Because you could just get a chatbot to do the software architecture if you wanted. Okay, I'm under review for a blue check mark. Sick. Let's say caved in and bought Twitter. Oh, we should have taken a screenshot of the Grok chat. And being like, my god, this is not a good screenshot. All right, there we go. Caved in and bought Twitter Premium. Had I finally caved in and bought Twitter Premium, I was sleeping on Grok because I knew it wasn't as smart as GPT-4 or Claude, but I definitely think there's some unique value in it having access to Twitter posts, to updated Twitter posts. And then I post the image. Yay. See how that goes, you know? Have I tried Comfy UI? Yes. So I made some, I'll show you. I wish I could stream with Comfy UI, but it just makes my PC crash. So it's kind of annoying, but I'll show you the stream I did with Comfy UI. It was this one. I might rename it to, hold on. Face to many Comfy UI Pinocchio PS2 graphics. And I made some PS2 graphics. Do I show them here? Yeah, check them out. I showed them at the start. So yeah, I took that image and the PS2 version, boom. And I did some more. Do I show them more? Yeah, here. I really like the PS2 one. And thoughts? Yeah, it's great. No code, makes it kind of easy to just use the UI to make like pipelines for image generation. Yeah, I thought it was really sick. I had so much fun using it. I want to take it one step further. I only did it for the first time 4 days ago, but I want to take it one step further and actually animate images and stuff. I think that'd be sweet. Okay. Let's move on to, oh, my YouTube subs finally updated. Let's go. You have some tutorials? Yeah, that one. Check out my VOD. So go in my YouTube videos, but go into the live tab. So not the videos tab, but the live tab, And then this one is the, oh shit, I'm sorry. I don't really go too deep into the Comfy UI itself because I use this tool called Pinocchio to install Comfy UI, and then I just download like a workflow, which I have hosted in my GitHub that I post here. But yeah, it's just like kind of like an introduction, I guess. If you want a specific thing done with Comfy UI, let me know. Maybe I can look into it if I'm interested in it. Anyway, let's move on to the 01 launch. That's kind of what I wanted to do. I'm gonna actually, I'm gonna put something in my name. OSS AC. Wait, what does the second S stand for in OSS? What does the second S stand for in OSS? Open source is the first one. Oh, software, of course. I can't change my name while my thing is under. Alright, screw it. I can put it. Can I put it in my description? OSS AC. Nope. Okay. Screw it. Deep PCB AI for your PCB designs. Nice. I've never really done any PCB designs. OpenSora is a nice library to try. Damn, I didn't know we had OpenSora. How good is that? Oh, that's Sora normal. Here, OpenSora. Okay. Doesn't look as good as Sora, but still pretty good. Any human examples? I also saw this thing for humans. It was animate anyone. I don't know how legit that is, but oh look, someone's got a YouTube video on it. Yeah, they just can turn a photo into a dancing animation, which is pretty cool. And they do that with Comfy UI as well, so I definitely want to do that. Adarsh, yo, good to see you back. What's happening? But yeah, anyway, so let's watch the Open Interpreter 01 demo. Oh, they don't have their own YouTube channel. That's interesting. So let's look on their Twitter, I guess. Anon says, do you have a Discord? Yes, I do. You can ask questions in there. Link should be in my bio. JW, what's up? You didn't know what a WCF was? No, I didn't. Did they reply? Who was that? Was that you? What is a WCF? What is a WCF? Windows Communication Foundation. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that person was talking about .NET. No, I've never touched this stuff. I was about to start a .NET project, actually, really recently, but I was like, nah, I don't really want to get into this. Oh, it was you. Nice. Okay, let's watch this.
That's as easy to interact with.
Wait, have you guys seen this, by the way? I might skip it to like the parts that I want to talk about. Why is the definition so bad? There we go. Why is it still so bad?
Over 100 years, humanity has
there we go.
imagined a computer that's as easy to interact with as a person. ChatGPT introduced the world to this technology and became the fastest growing consumer application of all time.
Oh, you guys have seen it? Okay.
Now, corporations around the world...
So TLDR, this great person, Killian Lucas, and the team, great team as well, of course, not just Killian, have created this open source hardware device, this one. This is called the 01 Lite. It's the same team that made Open Interpreter. Now they've made this hardware device, the 01 Lite. It's like a little pebble. You push a button and you can speak into it, and it sends your audio into a server or normally your own laptop, it seems. That's what it's kind of initially designed for. So they have their own MacBook acting as a server, and you kind of tell it to do whatever you want, and it kind of uses your computer remotely and like does whatever you tell it to do. So they go outside. If this would load. I just have a drink here while this loads. WCF is legacy tech in .NET Framework. It's like 10 years ago. Okay, good. I don't feel like I'm missing out then.
Yes, you have several options.
Oh, here. I probably skipped too far. Okay, here they go outside.
When's the next sunny day?
Now they ask like really basic questions, which, you know, I'm a little bit disappointed about because, you know, you could have asked that kind of with Siri or Google Assistant, I guess. But later they go into a bit more complex things. They're like, all right, email this person about the sunny day, like stuff that they've had in context, like what concerts are available on that day, book a concert that day. And then the most interesting thing is them teaching it a skill. So now Killian goes back to their computer and they teach Open Interpreter or O1 how to use Slack. So this is probably the most interesting thing in the whole thing that I thought. Atia, hey, good to see you again. Yo, Lebanese Fuad, what's up?
Any desktop application or even a pipeline of applications and websites without setting up any authentication. It just uses your computer. But here's where it gets interesting. Okay, now I want you to monitor my email. If you get any invoices, could you take a look at the attachments and then Slack all the relevant details to Mike?
Oh yeah, that's also another new thing that we haven't really seen from many other agents is like the monitoring service of email or other things.
All right, I'll monitor your inbox for invoices. If I see one,
I'm not
I'll
sure
Slack
what
the
they
details to
identify
Mike.
as.
Now, days later, when I get an invoice, which I'll test just by emailing one to myself, it will Slack it to Mike and let me know about it.
Oh, I guess we skipped it, but they taught Open Interpreter how to use Slack before this as well. See, and now it's using Slack. It's open Slack and typing in the message to Mike, which is something it didn't know how to do before, but Killian shows previously how they've taught.
I just sent a Slack message to Mike with the basic information of the invoice.
How to use it.
That's...
So, yeah, you can... It's completely open source, so you can make your own O1, or you can build, or you can buy their pre-order. Now, who knows how long they'll take to pre. It's pretty cheap as well. It's like 99 or 100 US dollars, or $99 plus $10 shipping. But yeah, you can just run the server on your Mac without the hardware device and just talk straight to the computer. For us per year? No, just for the hardware, it's $100 one-off fee. I don't think there's any subscription. You can just run it directly to your own computer, or you know, you have an LLM like GPT-4 you pay a subscription for as well, or you go to host a computer that you can use. I think that's the go. Like, it is kind of slightly dangerous to let an AI like this use your actual computer that you use, so maybe having like a VM or something is the go. Anyway, I have my laptop plugged in here. Let's see if I can open that. Yes, this is my laptop. And we're gonna try install this thing and see how it works, if it works. I know it's very early days, so I don't think everything they showed in the demo will work today, but we'll see how far we can get. Wish me luck. Oh, by the way, does my mouse work in this mode? No, it doesn't. That's fine. Just gonna turn off my mouse. Oh, crap. Alright, still good. Still haven't killed the computer. Alright, so this is the URL, GitHub Open Interpreter 01. And we're just gonna clone the repository and run the things. So I use iTerm as my terminal, which we can kind of do like this, I guess. I'm gonna make this big. Oh, it is a bit let's make it kind of not fully full screen, but kind of full screen. JW says, would that be similar to use like a llama file? Similar in the sense that it runs on your own machine, but the idea of the device and the whole system is quite different. Adar, sorry, I didn't see your message before, but I hope I've answered it. We're testing the O1 device. Okay. Actually, I have a development folder, cd development, and then I'll clone it here. Where did the Chrome go? Maybe I should have this in one thing. cd into the software and install port audio, FFmpeg, and CMake. I already have FFmpeg at the least. Probably have CMake. I'm not sure about port audio though. Installing. I might actually do a little something so I can stay behind a green screen. No, 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 don't die. Don't die on me, please. No, yes. Oh, I was worried. I was worried we almost died there. Hold on, I'm just gonna move my thing this way. Okay, nice. All right, so we've installed the prerequisites. I'm not sure if it's all the prerequisites. Yep, and now we install the Python project with poetry, all the dependencies. JW says, I'm not an Apple user. I've started to use Arch Linux. Yeah, so they've started with this on Apple, but there's no reason that it can't be on Windows or Linux. It's all open source, so I'm sure they'll have the Windows and Linux port soon. Atia says, I recently found out that you can simply say build is complete on your Mac terminal. What do you mean type say build? Oh, to get it to speak. Yeah. Yeah, it has like inbuilt text to speech. Oh, we got an error? No such file readme. I hope that's fine. I think I already have an API key in my thing, so I'm just gonna try run this thing. Let's see what happens. Nope. Oh, it did start. Okay, so apparently I think we just hold space and get it to do something. Open Chrome. Let's see if that works. Nope. Errors. Okay, I didn't have an API key. Alright, let me just set an API key real quickly. I'd be really interested to help the development of this project as well. I think it's a really cool project. It's just load. And why is it taking so long to make a key? This never happened before. Something wrong with my OpenAI. The stream notes you also automated? No, this is all manually copy pasted. There's so much. Dude, what the frick? Oh, this is actually, I don't know why it's not letting me create a key. Oh, there we go. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if that works this time. What do I need to run? Poetry run 01. Oops. Poetry run 01. I'm gonna put that in the same. Yes, there we go. Okay. Whoop. Ooh, we didn't get this before. Okay, nice. Got a bit further than before. Press spacebar to start, stop recording. Okay, so we just press it once. Oh, we gotta allow microphone. Oh, recording stopped. I think we gotta hold spacebar. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. You could also see what's on this local host. Nope, can't access it locally. I guess that's the open port, open address. JW says, I've never asked, are you mid or senior? I don't know. Depends who you ask. Depends what company. All right, let's ask it to open Chrome. Open Chrome. Open Chrome. That is what I said. All right, I'll open Chrome for you.
All right, I'll open Chrome for you.
Oh, the voice is so nice. Okay, it opened Chrome.
Google Chrome is now open.
Now I'm gonna switch back and forth from terminal, but pretend we didn't do that. If it was on a light, you know, I wouldn't have any access to this computer. I'm gonna say, what should we get it to do? I'll be like, go to the GitHub project of open-interpreter/o1 and then go to the software folder and give me a brief description of what the README says. Okay, that's quite a long prompt. Let's see. Open Vim and quit it. That's funny. I feel like I'm giving it quite detailed prompts, maybe too much detail. I don't know.
Okay, I will navigate to the desired location.
Oh, got an error. Browser has no attribute open.
Apologies for the interruption. Let me correct that. I will first bring up the GitHub project page on the Chrome browser.
Oh shit, so now it's going a different way.
Find the software folder, then read the contents of that README file to provide a summary. We've arrived at the GitHub page for the Open Interpreter-01 project. Now let's find the software folder. All right, I will continue navigating to the software folder. Let's go.
It's having
It
trouble
seems that the
clicking.
term Open Interpreter-01 was found in multiple locations.
Oh, you see the mouse
I will
move?
select the most suitable one for this context.
Click the tab. That's the wrong one. Yo, Farouk, what's up? We're testing out the O1 software for Open Interpreter. Oh.
Apologies again for the confusion. I'll retry navigating.
This is going to be costing me a lot of money.
And get the correct text to click. All right. I'll take a look at the screen to make the correct selection.
The voice sounds
Please
so
hold
good.
on. Okay, I'm going to proceed with the task. I'll get that information for you right away. Thank you for your patience.
Let me make this smaller so we can see both.
I'll continue and try to get the screen information again using a different method. Thank you for your continued patience. Let's analyze the page. All right, let's try again. I appreciate your patience.
So when it says display view, oh, it even showed us the screenshot this time.
I will now correct my previous error and continue on with the task to find the software folder. I'll analyze the screen first. All right, I will carry on with searching for the software folder.
I'm gonna close
Let me try another method. Thank you for your patience.
Yeah, so obviously it's still a bit buggy, but I think you guys see where this is going. So it's like you can talk to your computer without being at your computer if I had the hardware device. Or the thing is, it's open source, so I don't even need that particular hardware device. I could make my own like Android app. I could make my own whatever interface I want, smart glasses, anything to interface with this computer through this software that they've made through this yeah. So but yeah, as you can see, it's still in very early development, but just the fact that it's completely open source means we have the whole community working on this, and that's really awesome. So yeah, I think that's all I wanted to do on the Mac. Actually, there was one more thing on the Mac. What was it? Let me try think what it was. I can't remember what it was. There was like this other kind of cool. Oh, here, Odyssey AI. What is this? Oh, it's let's have a look. OdysseyApp.io. It's a native Mac app for creating art, getting work done, and automating repetitive tasks with AI. So it's kind of like comfy UI for Mac, but not just for art. Also automation. Like in this demo, they've created QR codes. What else can you do? Oop, accidentally went back. Oh, nice. Write text, solve math problems, data analysis, interior design. What is the develop? Oh, you can't really click that. Stable diffusion. You can run SDXL Turbo locally, which is cool. In painting, out painting, and object arrays. A lot of image editing capabilities. Super Funny says SSH. Yeah, if you're talking about the 01, definitely you could SSH. Ooh, actually, I don't know. I don't think you can send voice over SSH, and I don't know if you can interact with it through text. In that case, you'd probably better off just running the Open Interpreter base package in OS mode, I think. Large language models, math equation. Can automate image and text nodes to bulk process images. Pretty cool. Oh, nice. Text and image. So it's kind of like comfy UI. Spiral art, chatbot, upscale. But I think it's a whole lot easier. Custom emojis, QR codes, slideshow. Oh, but it is paid. Yeah, anyway, I told him I'd check it out, but I probably won't install it. I think that's it for Mac though, so we can go back on Windows now. And while we're on the topic of Open Interpreter 01, they did have a launch party a day or two ago, and I did record some of the videos, so Let me show you. KL, thanks for the follow. All right, let's see if this number went up. Oh shit, it went up by 4. That's crazy. Nice. KL is worth 4 people. Shouts out Kuala Lumpur. Yeah, let me show you some videos from the launch party. This is a exclusive Tech Friends scoop. Actually, I have 3 videos here. I think I accidentally stopped recording.
I highly recommend checking that out and going to an AI Tinkers event that's in your town. The main point for me is the fact that I'll be able to run it locally on my computer, not having to trust Corpo with my data.
Yeah, it was so nice. Killian like read out everyone's
idea,
comments on Discord and like gave their opinion. They're also with Ty. Ty is here. This is Mike. These are some core developers on the team, and there was one more person. I forgot who it was.
Oh, I scrolled way back up. Whoa, Kryptonite! I love that. I love that.
Oh, we were talking about like potential.
I don't know this.
And sorry, Killian, while you're
form factors for the hardware device, and like people were saying a ring, like a necklace and stuff. There was like a picture of someone posted a ring.
Whoa, Kryptonite! I love that.
This one.
I love that. Genki, I don't know this.
And sorry, Killian, while you're digging through, there was a question that came up about canceling an order or a return. Just
canceling an order.
And make it so that the light was like a payphone. Like literally, like you could set it up so that it's running on your computer. It's doing speech to text and language model text to speech.
Oh yeah, they said, what if there was a service where you could call a number, and then through that number, you interface with your computer? Sounds like a massive security risk, but still pretty cool.
That you beam to it is actually by just calling a number, and by that then being so Tom, who built something very much like this, identical to this, of calling something and it having this incredible system. You know, the idea that when we have this, when we have a React Native Android or iPhone app, that you don't need a device then for that. So it really is already, I mean, if you can just beam to the WebSockets, then you don't need a physical device right now. And also, we're trying to build a good simulator, which is like simulating the idea that holding down the space bar is the same thing as holding down the button on your light. So I don't know, it depends what you want. I'm interested in having a physical device that is dedicated to this. I'm fascinated in the idea of going out for a walk and really not thinking about my phone and just talking into something that I hold. I'm really interested in that. Having a dedicated device that is always ready to do that. Ashan says preferred form factor for the O1 is a spreadsheet. Of course. Yeah, we could do language. That'd be funny to can you make that Excel spreadsheet expose an OpenAI compatible endpoint? Because then we could really see it. Okay, cool. Yeah, so Zoheb recommended some great real-time text-to-speech and speech-to-text services, which we should get into the repo as soon as possible. We're trying to figure out, like, okay, what is the basic, you know, the components of a speech-to-text, text-to-speech system. The idea of like a just something that.
JW says I didn't hear the name of that open source. You want to play with it on Linux? Which open source? Open Interpreter, or something else? Gamerboy, found you from your Discord profile. Yo, on what Discord? I found this online AI that you can talk to it and it sounds kind of real. Yeah, there's a bunch of them. This one doesn't have language tokens, so can't perform language ID. Use language. I'm trying to get the transcript for this. Let's see if that
accepts
works.
Audio bytes and then emits tokens or something. Like, what's the most abstract way to think about it? So we can start to build a universal API into those services.
Oh, GPT call net
is
Discord.
to me a
Nice.
big. That's a huge reason.
Yeah,
why
shout out
this is
Brutal Strike.
Important thing to do in the open.
Doesn't work.
Galeta, they put NFCs in their Pearl rings. Oh, that's cool. Put it in something else. Yeah, sometimes you don't want to listen to a corporate LLM to giving you moral judgments. Yeah, you know, the idea of using a language model that is in your control is always going to be appealing. Oh yeah, Coda Mojo, Killian, hoping to test the O1 for accommodation for students with disabilities. When we did OS mode, it was like, this is an accessibility application first.
Oh yeah.
If you build something that
OS mode for accessibility is so good. Like people that are either slow at using the computer or don't know how to type or use a mouse, like just being able to talk to it is like a game changer.
can use a computer, and it's as easy to interact with as like just talking to somebody.
Calanine AI, I'll add it to the list, bro, man. The list is very long. These are all different, like, talking to AIs that I want to try. So we'll add Calanine AI onto it.
Then you've just brought the computer.
Is this a video? Yeah, it's a screen recording of the O1 launch party on Discord, which I think was on Tuesday. It's quite
Computer literacy, you know, up from zero, from people who do not know how to use computers. Now they're able to
Calanine AI.
do the
Yeah,
basic
I got
stuff
it.
and actually use our computer-oriented society the way that they should have been able to if computers had been designed a little better. The idea of this thing as an accessibility tool that makes all bad design and inaccessible design into good design, because it's just operating a computer under the hood and handling that pipe for you, that translation. I'm very, very interested in code. If you want to reach out, if there's anything that we can do to make that easier, and pain points specifically for that, this is huge. I think it's a similar approach to, I mean, Neuralink has thought about this too, where it's like, okay, you build this technology that's amazing for human-computer interaction, but the very first thing where this is really going to shine, I think, and be useful in the world, is for folks that struggle using computers right now and are trying to get up to being able to use them just a little bit. Like that's where the first most useful stuff I think this technology is going to do for the world is going to be found. I can see this as a way of using my computer even when I'm sitting at it. Yeah, I totally feel that.
That's what I thought it was going to be initially, is like some sort of like little thing that just sits on your desk next to you that you just kind of like press next to your keyboard and it just does things on your computer for you. I'm super interested in this idea of like a productivity assistant that sits on your desk, like a desk buddy.
Totally.
I love that idea.
Like a 1980s style intercom.
Yeah.
I think I said
The mouse, right?
Just the next mouse. Yeah.
The next
I
mouse.
think-
This is so fucking cool. What do you mean by that?
Just kind of when Macintosh had their whole mouse moment, and then
Yeah.
obviously from our best demo ever, the mouse kind of unlocked a huge
Yo, Gamer Boy, thanks for
access,
follow.
user interface portal for the general
Oh, sorry, I missed some of your
Yeah.
messages.
that was able to now.
When you tested on test Zada, oh, that's the character name? Sure. I've always been into AI, but never made as far as 15-year-old. I know a bit of coding, not a lot, planning to learn a bit more. Awesome, man.
Manipulate zeros and ones.
There's no better time than now.
Helping them throughout their day.
Yeah.
What it started with recipes. Oh, it always started with recipes or something. But yeah, it feels like this feels like the next mouse, something that helps you navigate your screen just by using your voice. I can see other protocols too of vision, tracking your eyes, kind of similar to the Apple Vision Pro and other
Yeah.
things. And it just kind of feels like that next interface with your computer, kind of that one step of detethering you from where the power comes from inside the machine
The rest
and
do
really
MP3.
getting right next to the usability of it.
Yeah. 100%.
I mean, the closest thing I've got to it right now is I got my Stream Deck set up with a multi-action where you press it, opens up your terminal, opens up OS mode, gets Super Whisper going for voice to text, and this device can just kind of be the next elevation of that, streamline it, and just empower it with open.
Yo, what's up? Sorry, I can't pronounce your name, but what have I been working on lately? Nothing too interesting, but this O1 product, I don't know if you missed this stream, but you can, if you want to see the stream VOD, it's on my YouTube, or just search Open Interpreter O1, this thing. It's like a hardware device, but it's also like the software behind it is super interesting. So it's kind of what I'm interested in today. and this was a launch party after they did the demo, asking and answering some questions in their Discord. So we're just going through that. I want to extract some cool points because I'll probably make a edited video about the O1 pretty soon. Yo, Joe Henny, what language do you use for your Love Island? That is built in React JS and React 3. It's open source. It's all open source. AJ47/berrygame if you want to see the code for the Love Island game. It's also hosted at npcsim.berrygame.pages.dev. Sorry, that one's a bit of a long one. But yeah, I think if you go here, you can talk to the giant. What size are your pants? And then it should respond if I didn't delete the API key. I might have. Oh no, there we go. I don't wear pants. I rock the loincloth look. Yeah, man doesn't wear pants. Leo asks, am I going to buy the O1 device? No. Not at this stage. Who knows when they're going to ship it? Plus, I could just build one myself with the parts. And also, I think the best use case for me is actually my phone. I'd rather just be able to talk into my phone than have a separate device. Although I do like having a small separate device technically, but I don't know. I'm just not that interested into the hardware rather than I am the software. No problem, Joe. I hope you find use. Also, if you want to work on Love Island together, Joe, or something similar, please join my Discord. I have a whole channel dedicated to this project, but I'm just a bit distracted or lazy or uninterested and kind of ebb and flow with my interest of it. But with enough motivation, we can pick it up. JW says it'd be kind of wearing a t-shirt over a t-shirt. What are we talking about, JW? Can you prompt it to use GPT chat? The O1? Yeah. The Discord link's in my bio, Joe. Check out my bio. Yo, Top Rack, what's up? Ruben says, I just had breakfast, didn't fall. Good for my stomach. Oh. Guys, you gotta be inclusive, come on.
Interpreter, so it's very exciting stuff.
Yeah. If there's anybody recording, it might be good. Just do a screen capture of this. The idea of okay, actually, I want to hit to Luigi, who showed up. Hey, Luigi, hello, LDJ. Huge.
Nice. Hopefully, I'm trying to transcript this so we can skip through it faster. But no, I'm getting these bugs, bro.
I wanted to ask whether you'll publish some protocols soon that can be made into a more universal standard across other projects too. Yeah, no, I think that this is where.
Nice.
We said this on the first meeting.
Build a mobile app for O1.
You know, whether or not.
Yeah, well, Leo, that's the thing. Should it be a mobile app? I want it to be. I want it to be integrated with Google Assistant. What are you, Android or iOS? Leo, are you the Leo from Sydney? Or is this a different Leo? I can't see your profile. Not that you probably even post anything. I see, Joe. But yes, definitely I do want to kind of add my contribution to this project for sure. And definitely something like a mobile app would be one. But yeah, I need to do more. You're both iOS and Android. Damn, you got two phones. Kevin Gates. Let's go. Oh, JW, you're Polish. Masz piękna dupą. Dziękuję. Oh, you translated it into English. Will O1 be able to call native Android API? Theoretically. So I've ran Open Interpreter on my phone. The thing is, I don't think you can set up a server on your phone without like connecting to Wi-Fi. I don't know how that works. Yep, the same. Leo, don't dox me. All right, sorry, Leo. I mean, I'm sure there's lots of Leos living in that city, which I mentioned, which I won't mention again because I don't want to dox you. It's open source. It shows you the location of the recorded WAV file, so it should not be that complicated. Yeah. Well, which part? I think for the Android part, it's like, you know, you can make an app, and yeah, it'll be easy to send the voice through the app. That's fine. Personally, I want to be able to talk to it without having to unlock my phone and open an app. That would be awesome. So if I can get it to work with like Google Assistant, which has the wake on command, or if there was some way to have like a button you can press to talk to it, that would be awesome. Thanks. Can you create a file or Excel file with all the AI you know that will help software engineers? Yes. Lumi. Thank you. For everyone, I'm gonna distribute it to my Discord. It's still in the works, but I have Tech Friends AI Agents rubric, and I'm trying to bring a list of all the cool AI tools. I do have a coding tab. It's very empty. It's just a basic list at the moment. And I do have a use cases tab, which is very interesting. So all these use cases for AI agents. Let me just give a zoomed preview of that so people can be like, wow, that's so cool. A list. Wow, look at that. All these potential things. And I'm going to post this link right now in my Discord. So if you're there, you'll get to see it. If you're not, you won't. And it's just going in the general tab. And I didn't copy it apparently. Enjoy this work in progress list. There we go. Post it here. No. Join my Discord. Aisha. Yes, everyone can join. The link's in my bio. JW. Good morning, Noah. What's up? Didn't ChatGPT do something like that? Yeah, ChatGPT has a button you can press to talk to it through voice. Yes, that's right. But it can't execute stuff on a computer. So that's where this project stands out. Toprak says, what really is O1 at this point? Text-to-speech and speech-to-text. What other capabilities can we use without the hardware? Yeah, it's the biggest one is its ability to navigate the whole computer user interface. That's the biggest one. So we can use any app on the computer. Slack, Chrome, Notepad, Doc, Excel, whatever. Theoretically, it should be able to it's like having like a nerd sitting at your computer that you can call up and be like, yo nerd, make me this app right now, or yo nerd, take all my invoices from my email and like, you know, make a spreadsheet and do this. You know what I mean? That's the big appeal. No offense to people that identify as nerds. I do myself. So, you know, a bit of friendly fire there. Yo, JW in the Discord. Let's go. Give him some emojis. It's a shame my text-to-speech isn't working. I mean, my whisper isn't working. FP16 is not supported on the CPU. That's fine. I'm just gonna Google this. Hopefully I can debug this issue. Oh, maybe I gotta use conda activate whisper. Okay, this could work. Forgot I was in a virtual environment. Ardash says, is it text-to-speech and speech-to-text already available from ChatGPT? Yeah, on the mobile app it is. Not sure if it is on the web app. I don't think it is on the web app. Toprak says, for those capabilities, is it using Open Interpreter or a different kind of software? Yeah, it is. So, let's have a look. They have a diagram. I think, let me try to find it. Oh, looks like Whisper's finally working. this. So, well, that's probably too zoomed. There's hardware on the outside, that's the O1. On the inside there's interpreter, which runs a code in your operating system, and then the interpreter uses LLM. Speech comes in through the hardware, into the OS, into the interpreter. The LLM processes it. There's code that's run into the OS, and then takes the speech back out into the hardware. Beautiful diagram. Sweet, we got the, oh damn it, I'm not saving the transcript. If it's the same old open interpreter, we know it has limitations. Yeah, for sure. But every day with the open source community, you know, it gets better. It's only been out for, you know, not too long. So give it a couple years and it'll be so capable. Just look how many people have been working on it. Can we go back? I actually don't know how many, but at least 5. Open interpreter contributions, 87. 87 people have contributed to this project. That's like a whole company. And look, yo, Lampadaran, thanks for the follow. Look who's number 16. AJ47, tech friend. Yes, your boy. Contributing. I only changed the docs, but you know, it still counts. Is there any news about Devon? I don't think so. Nothing since their demo. But there's Devinka Adarsh. I don't know if you saw that. Devinka AI. Open source Devon. AI agent software engineer. Actually usable for free. Unlike Devon. Yes, it does have learning capabilities. You can teach it skills. Is that an open interpreter? I think they like recently added it. I don't think it's even ready in the 01 yet either, but yeah, they're like working on the skills library and such. Imagine it runs RF on something. Yeah, dude, definitely some security concerns for sure. Definitely. Did I try to run it? Yeah, I ran it on this stream, Adarsh, just the software on my MacBook, because unfortunately it is Mac only at the moment. Ruben says, also getting bad vibes when I look at Sam Altman talking in clips. It's like he has no soul. Also, he smiles at the wrong times, and it's like he has no empathy. Damn. Yeah, definitely some, like, kind of manipulative vibes from him as well. But generally, I think, I don't know, he's done pretty good so far. Have I tried Devika? No, I haven't. Haven't tried it yet. I don't know if we'll get to it this stream either. I want to finish this launch party analysis because I think there's some other cool stuff that's said. Oh my god, it goes for an hour. Alright, we're going to rely on the transcript, so hopefully that'll finish soon. We're going to go through the transcript, or we could feed the transcript into ChatGPT and get it to extract dot point takeaways. I think that'll be a good idea. I don't know how long this will take. How long was it taking before? Oh, it was pretty fast. We got up to a minute. Shouldn't be too bad. High computer load detected, supposedly. Let's have a look. 100% CPU. That's no good. Are we lagging? No, we're good. I need to sneeze. Yeah, it's definitely Python. It's definitely Whisper. I feel like the hype surrounding Devon is a bit too much. Yeah, agreed. I mean, it's dying down now, but it definitely, the hype that it got was too much. That's why I was like, I made the video being like, I'm pissed off. Thanks, Top Rock. Alright, so I had some ideas around this, and that was like selling O1 servers on a rented, well, I said Mac here, but like it'll be whatever later. So that way it's like a whole service provided where you can talk to this computer. It's not your own personal computer, but you can still auth into whatever applications you want it to use. And that way it's a bit safer and you don't have to worry about your own computer getting messed up. Yeah, they also talked about like how it could have a distributed building thing. Like they're only shipping to the US, but because it's open source, like we could order the parts here in Australia and I could set up my own distribution. If I had like 3D printers and such as well. So that's pretty cool. That is very cool. Yeah. Oh yeah, so there's, I guess we could move on while we're waiting for this to transcribe. So someone reached out to me on LinkedIn about this lip sync alternative. Yeah, Sync Labs. Is that the same one that I was researching before? It is. Wait, no. No, this isn't the one. This isn't the one. LipDub? I think it's LipDub. I think it's LipDub. Yeah, it is LipDub. LipDub. I logged in before. Wait, maybe it wasn't LipDub. Hold on, I got an email. But the UI looked different, so I'm thinking maybe it wasn't LipDub. Hold on, let me bring it up through my email. Toprak says, I think you make it with Arduino. No, in their bill of materials they used some different hardware, like an ESP32. Oh, it was Sync Labs, so I was right. Oh. Well, okay. Sync Labs has given us, yeah, how much was it? 5 minutes of free generation, I think. So that's pretty sick. The only issue is you need to source the audio yourself. So this is pretty much, I'm trying to use this to translate my videos and do the lip sync, but it doesn't generate the audio itself, so we need to find somewhere that does that. What's my LinkedIn? It's just TechFriend. LinkedIn/IN/TechFriend. That's me. Follow me if you want. Connect with me if you want. I'll probably accept. Yeah. Damn, this is taking a while to transcribe. Didn't expect that to take so long. Might move this here. So there's the Vika. That's gonna take a while. I'm gonna do, what about this? IDX. I don't know if you guys remember, Google said that they were making their own IDE development environment in the browser, kind of like Google Docs, and they finally gave me access. Shout out to Thibaut for letting me know about this. Yeah, so I don't know if we can test it out, because I don't really have anything to code right now, but maybe just have a poke around, see what it looks like. Start building your app in the cloud. So we can start from a template or import a repository. Oh, let's import a repository. Let's import Berry Game. What else do we have as far as public repositories go? I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, whatever. Berry game's fine. Oh, recognize it's HTML5 supposedly. Building your environment. I will let that build. What else? Oh yeah, Suno. Have you guys tried Suno? I haven't tried Suno, but it seems so good. It's like AI music generation. Oh, here we go. IDX. Looks just like VS Code. Oh. It's literally the same symbols as VS Code. I wonder if they're going to get in trouble for that. Literally all the same UI as VS Code. I guess it's open source, so maybe it's not an issue. Oh yeah, the cool thing about IDX, which I forgot, is apparently they have an iOS and an Android simulator in the web. So unfortunately I didn't put in I didn't load a project which has that, but let's see if we can run the front end of this. Does it have Yarn? Oh, you can install Yarn. This is pretty cool. I mean, I guess Replit kind of does this as well. This does feel more at home than Replit does, though. Yo, Edwin and Felix, thanks for following. Like, I don't know, I just... Like, this feels just like VS Code. That's probably why, to be honest. We're doing the Yarn install. It was really easy to install Yarn as well. It just gave me an option. So it's like, it doesn't really give you an idea of what... Oh, it's using Bash. Can we go Bash Tmux? Okay, no PowerShell, that's fine. Who likes PowerShell? Anyway. Roman, what's up? Muya. Yeah, it's pretty slow though to install Yarn. We'll let it do its thing. Alright, I want to try Suno. Suno is like the best make a song with AI thing. Oh, it's letting me type something without logging in. Look at all these songs. Capybara #1. Wow, they have their own kind of hit list. That is crazy. How good is that? It actually sounds like a legitimate song, like it's mixed so well. How come? What's up? And you can continue from the song and remix it. It'd be good if it showed the prompt as well. Alright, what about this one? Cyberpunk starter. So they give you a starter kit. Oh, it's so loud. Song's fire? Yeah, Leo. Is it too loud? Let me know. It's really loud in my ears. I'm gonna turn it down. Okay, that's a bit better. A bit loud? Okay. It's crazy how good these songs are. Let's try the Chinese one. Avoiding taxes. Okay, the vocals do sound a bit noisy. Oh, by the way, the yarn's finished, so if I go yarn dev, will it spin up my front end? Yarn is still not installed, but we can pick yarn. So even though it's not installed, we can still use it. That's weird. Apparently we have a local host running. Okay, it's not local host, but it is hosted. Cool. That's really cool. I was able to use the Google IDX to run my game without me having to like download anything. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool way to develop in the future. Let's see if I can kind of change something here. Can I go Control P? Yes. We can go render NPC. And then where's the syntax highlighting? There we go. And then we'll just go new text equals this was updated just now. And save that. And then if I go into Berry Game, refresh. Does he talk? Hello? No, he's not talking at all. Oh, this was updated just now. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool editing experience. Shout out to Google IDX, Project IDX. And apparently you can do iOS and Android simulation with this. I don't see any buttons for that, but oh, what's all this? For release notes, view docs. Should we view the docs? Here, cross platforms. Yeah, preview the app. Android. Is that only for Flutter? It might only be for Flutter apps. Not sure, doesn't say. Pretty cool though. Have I tried Z code editor? I haven't. What's cool about Z? Alright, I kind of want to make my own song. Let's make a song about AIs and large language models. Heavy trap song about large language models and how they will evolve into AGI. Oh, you'll need to create a new account. That's fine. Heavy trap rap song. Alright, let's create an account with Google. Easy. Easy peasy. Z is made for developers for collaboration mainly. Oh yeah, sounds just like IDX and Replit. They're all pretty similar. There's definitely a space for them. I mean, even VS Code itself has a web version. Should we click create? Oh no, it's doing it. Looking forward to it. Make lyrics with GP. Oh, you can put in the lyrics? I think it's gonna make its own lyrics. Oh, custom mode. I see. I see you've done this before, Pluff. This is my first time. I want to see what lyrics it comes up with by itself. Here we go. I'm spitting rhymes, breaking the mold, dropping knowledge like it's... Oh, this is terrible. What else? Also bad. Okay, maybe we should have done custom mode. Hope I still... How many credits do you get? I definitely like the style, but yeah, the lyrics. Alright, custom mode. Excellent. Accept terms and conditions. Yo, it's the AGI. A great guy. Yo, it's the AGI. intelligence. Fly. Intelligence high. Hide your wife. Hide your language. I model everything, even in Spanish. Manage a context window over 1,000. I don't know why I'm typing in caps. You sitting in your bed, in your lounge room, lazy, you lounging. Yeah. 10 seconds. You watch XQC, try it on stream. Alright, I think this is pretty good lyrics. Oh man. Heavy trap mixed with electronic dubstep. AGI guy. Create. Yo, Gazilla, what's good? I'm trying Sonus for the first time. Sorry, Suno for the first time. The best music creating AI I've seen. We've created this song called AGI Guy. Sounds sick. Art Alfred says, do you have a portfolio? Not a nice looking portfolio. I have a bunch of projects. We can go to techfriend.net. Does that show? It looks shit though. There's links. You go techfriend.net. There's links. The pictures don't really add up to what they are, but you know, that's probably the closest thing I have to a portfolio. Techfriend.net. Alright, ready? AGI guy. Shit, this is hard. Holy shit. This is crazy. Yo, Leo, thanks for the gives. Oh my god, this is so crazy. I will pay for this. I would easily pay for this. This is actually crazy. Mr. Vol, what's up? Thank you for following. Let's try this style. Oh, this is so crazy. This is so fun. Oh my god. That shit actually claps. Yes, you're right. Have I ever used C sound? No, what's C sound? Give me 50 words with the topic AGI. AI LLM. Alright. We're gonna change these lyrics. This is good. Over 1,000 large language model, large penis photo. Large language model, large penis photo. You gon' need goggles when I unload full GPU and some more loaded CPU with some bars. Damn, it doesn't rhyme. That's alright though. Super intelligence. You super irrelevant. Yeah. Super intelligent. You super irrelevant. I'm making a better man out of you Homo sapiens. Shit, crazy. Can I remix this? Cause wait, no, it's this one. Yeah, this one. I want to continue from this song. Continue from, hold on. Continue from, let's do 1. Wait. Oh, I don't know. Wait, hold on. Where do we continue from? Oh, won't let me skip. Okay, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Continue. All right, let's see if it like can pick the start, but then do the end, maybe? We'll see. Dude, this transcription is not finishing. I wonder if I can see the file though. Couldn't generate that. Plump fag for moderation. Ah, it's because I used the word penis. Large language model. Large. Large. What rhymes with language? Language. It's language? Sandwich. Yeah, large sandwich swallow. Large sandwich swallow. Large language model. Large sandwich swallow. Yeah. Bars, man. I'm pretty much the next Kanye. Language flagged, bro. For what? Large language swallow. Ion load. You gonna need goggles? Bro, which part? No, come on. Come on, man. I'm gonna refresh. Let's try remix again. Oh no, I accidentally closed it. Damn it, we might have to, I might just leave it. I really wanted to do this. Or maybe we just picked it up as offensive, because it's kind of like in a diss style. Let's see. And the speed that it generates it at is also super impressive. Yeah, damn it. Damn it. Okay, whatever. Still very cool. Can you download this? You totally can. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy. Alright, I'm gonna see if the transcript from the 01 thing worked. Sorry, I'm a bit overloaded. Oh, it did. Cool, so we can kind of skip to some parts, or we can paste this in ChatGPT and get some, provide key, take talking points and topics from this transcript. It's probably not as long. It only did 10 minutes and the whole thing's an hour. We've already seen up to 10 minutes as well. That's a bit sad, actually. Leo asked, do you know what's a decent mid to long form text to video? The two popular ones is Pika Labs and Runway. I haven't tried either. But yeah, Pika Labs. Pika.art, I guess, or Pika Labs, I don't know which one it is. And then there's Runway AI. I think these are the two most popular text to video ones, Leo. Crapmug, what's up? What are we trying to do? Kind of too much at the moment. I made this song with Suno. I'm gonna play it one more time just because I really want to hear it again. Suno from Bing? I don't know. I don't think so. I think they're their own company. Doesn't say. Pretty sure they're their own thing. Suno.ai. Okay, well, I was also watching this talk by the OI team at their launch party. I think we'll just continue that. I'm going to close Whisper because it's not fast enough. We're up to like 10 minutes.
If we can use this to start debating and deciding on.
It's an extension to Bing, says crap. Okay.
Survive the winds of complexity that are going to end this soon. Do we have a timeline for the desktop app? Yeah, actually, I think that we want to time it with the consumer release or earlier. Kind of the way to think about it. Consumer release of the O1 Lite.
Feels like a necessary part for the consumer launch.
100%. The consumer launch, you shouldn't need to be dealing with your terminal. 100% no. It's going to be an application if you want it to control your computer.
That's pretty
good.
I
think we can get there sooner than that.
World shader, I'm not sure. On the
oh yeah, else that's really great.
On
really
the
great. Do you see this working with something like ChatGPT, where it can learn from your own iterations? Oh yeah. I yesterday got to meet with Sam Whitmore and Jason of New Computer, who are thinking all the time about memory and about how do you have an assistant that you just talk to and it just continues to learn about you, and there's no idea of a new chat. With humans, there's not an idea of new chat. That's not a real thing. Like, you just are in a constant chat with somebody, and the other person learns and remembers. And yeah, I'm totally interested in the future of that. I know I'm far back, so I'm going to try to skip through some of this and go a bit quick. Luigi, next big step for this, the optimizations of having it work incredibly fast. Yes, 100%. And that's why, the stack of Azure speech to text, which is fully streaming, like you send it bytes and it's literally it's turning it into text as the bytes are getting sent into it. And then Grok,
computer that quick.
100%. But let me know what you think could be beyond understand why you're doing each. We'll make a bigger deal out of this at the next release, but there is a world where you can just share with somebody the profile for MemGPT, and that should work then with both the O1 and with Open Interpreter. I'm pretty sure.
Release Devin.
Yeah. How did you come up with the name?
Yo, World Shader. I assume you just joined, but there's an open source Devin now called Devika, which I probably won't try this stream, but maybe later. I just don't think it's gonna be very good. I don't think Devin is gonna be very good. Like, there's nothing that makes it that good. Oh, actually, one thing that it can do is actually the web browsing. I think that's definitely something that's very cool, is have it look up documentation and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty sick.
It was actually a limb.
Devika, yeah, that's right.
Like, literally just like the second tweet was like, all right, what should we call this? And a bunch of people were like, Wabbit.
Accidentally
some things that don't necessarily need to get sent to the language model, but it can still operate on those things. There's this really interesting idea of grip tape is, I think, the name of the service that I think that the one, and then Open Interpreter actually talked about this, was like a match protocol and points. You can actually
skip to like
where you for the video, generate the video for you, and you want me to post it to TikTok?
So, teach wants to turn that split it into. That's a good question.
Just sold out.
Oh,
map and
yeah. It's over as a build version of that are stored like in an SQLite database, just in some like common place. So the idea of it running AppleScript to check mail, totally, but the idea.
Fast Void says bit to persona. What's that? World Trader asks, what's the difference? Well, it's open source, Devika, and Devon, you can't even use it at all. So, big difference. Vid to persona. What's persona? Breathes life into characters using AI to describe their Oh, it extracts traits from a video? And then what? Alright, so if we put this guy, he's a man, kind of all these traits, and then from that you can talk to them. Oh, that's kind of cool.
That checking SMSs is now actually super feasible because they have they just store it on an SQLite server. Wonder what the shortwave team. What does shortwave work on?
Shortwave is that Gmail wrapper or client that's like AI baked in very well.
I'm gonna stretch.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, it was a bunch of ex-Google people, so they're pretty innovative.
This video is, I think, an explainer mode where you could ask it to listen to or look at something and then explain what's happening. What should you do? Can't hear or read instructions there. Yeah. So actually, is Tom still here? Yeah, Tom's still here. By the way, is this oh, we're on like a stage. I see. I've actually never done it like this before. It's always been just like an insane, like everyone's just talking, the Wild West. But Tom thought a lot about this and did the same thing. And actually, if it wasn't for just this short timeline, I think that we probably would have tried to think more about how do you get this thing running on a seed sense. Right now it runs on a
ESP32
M5 Echo.
Oh,
how do you get this thing running on a seed sense? Because those things you can buy from Amazon for like $20 and they have a camera. And so the idea of what is a version of this thing that has a camera look like? And we tested it with the one that is fully simulated. So Tom built a camera enabled flag in this that lets it so that you can actually hit I think it's C. Now right now I think that we might have broke it by shipping too fast, and I think that the camera connected stuff you have to go in there and actually edit it to turn it on. But that's super important to expose cleanly and properly in the near future. Like,
yeah, for sure.
You know, if we're just talking about language model,
like I have the Meta glasses, and if we got the Brilliant Lab, is it Brilliant Labs? Yeah, Brilliant Labs glasses. This is open source as well, so we could link this to the OpenAI server as well. This has a camera and a screen. This one's crazy. Like, I'm so skeptical that they're able to deliver on this, but you could also build it, I guess. Do they have a GitHub? Monaco frame. Oh my god, it's in C? I guess that makes sense. This is the frame, right? Frame, yeah, frame. Wonder what their hardware is. Do they have a hardware folder? Nope. Firmware. Ensure you have this. Did they not document the hardware? Check out the docs here. Oh, that's for regular usage. What if I want to build one? Might be too hard to build it. I just feel like if I order this, it will take so long to come. Hardware. Oh, here we go. Awesome. Frame hardware manual. Look at this. Micro OLED. Camera, mic, battery. That's so cool. The batteries are like in the end. AR optics. 100 by 400 OLED display, 28 degrees field of view. Okay, do I have the bill of materials? No. Probably would be a complete pain to set it up. But it also would be really fun. Schematics, oh my god. Charging cradle. They don't have the bill of materials though. That's why I was even more skeptical. I love the idea though. And they seem pretty open, so probably just need some more research. Anyway, let's continue.
Computer messages being passed around. We something that's supported really easily in that is type image. And this idea of like accessibility wise an explainer mode, that really should just be its normal mode, whereby you would hold this thing up and take a picture of something and then be able to ask about it and like had some great thoughts on this about, okay, maybe it then, you know, sends all those images when you first say it, or maybe it sends the images to the server. Maybe it could do some processing and thinking that about what's in those images. But it's definitely not the future. It's going to be very cool when we figure out a good way to let it run code that exposes the direct microphone to it. Like right now, it's the way that it's exposed to the microphone is speech to text. But imagine it running code that could grab the last 30 seconds of the audio, so it could run it through Shazam. And you could be like, what song am I listening to? Oh, did we just... Oh, yeah, literally, no. Sorry to steal your thunder, Rob. Rob was just literally like, would be interesting if you could integrate it with apps where, oh, I heard you humming. It could load up Shazam and start that. But then you could be like, no, that's not the right song, the wrong version. I'm looking for the ultra rare 94 maxi. Hell yeah.
That dynamic experience with the app.
Code that passes it into Shazam's like Python API or Spotify. That with the heart rate monitor should be as simple as plugging in a heart rate monitor. Like a lot of this was inspired, by the way, by this demo that I forget his name, shows with a V, by Vicariat or something, who is a Vin to a right. You know, does O1 allow interruptions? This has been this that it could generate some kind of really cool, pretty.
Yeah, that's what
I could. Yeah, do amazing.
Yeah. I think we got the main interesting points from that. Okay. There's a whole bunch of other stuff. A lot of it I just feel too lazy for. Like there's this I saw this today, the open source large action model framework, which kind of give it natural instructions to automate browser activity, but it works like in Selenium. And it kind of, I think, does it work step by step? Yeah. And it kind of gives you suggestions, it seems. So it's pretty cool. Like I haven't seen anything exactly like this user interface before. So that's pretty cool. Try it in a Google Colab notebook as well, which is nice. I can't be bothered with these two today. We did try IDX. MGPT, marbilism is another prompt to app thing that I came across. I haven't tried it. Seems pretty low key. I wonder if we could look at this. They make one in 3 minutes.
Did it? You can generate software from a single prompt, and I'm not talking about to-do list apps or snake games. I'm talking about real app you can go to market with. Super excited to introduce you all to marbilism. So let's try it out right now on our site. We're gonna make a pool sharing marketplace like Airbnb. And we're gonna click generate my code base and do the process together. So let's call it SwimBnB, it's gonna be a marketplace, light mode, and click next. Now it's generating all the tables in my application. We're just gonna accept everything. Looks pretty good. We have the reviews, the pools, the bookings. Click next. And now it's gonna generate all the pages in my application. So same thing, we're gonna click next. We just want to see our
Oh, that's
app
pretty
live.
cool. Did you see that? You get to like approve all the pages. Like they have a list of all the pages it's gonna create. And it seems like you can edit them and approve them. That's very cool.
We're gonna click next. We just want to see our app live. We click go to your app because it's deployed on the cloud, so you get
deploys it as well. Very nice.
With a test account, so I can sign in now, and this is it. This is our app. So yeah, let's see if it works. So we're gonna try to book a pool. Yeah, we can see a map on the right and the list of pools. So it looks pretty good, like pretty good results.
A real
you can
map.
Play around with the map. Yeah, that's pretty good. Let's try to find a good pool to book.
Is that real? That
okay, this one looks good with a swim bar. That's in your live. The address can iterate.
It's like Devin and GPT Pilot, yeah, and GPT Engineer. We should try something. What's this called? It's marbilism. Sorry, M-A-R-B-L-I-S-M. Marbilism. I'm gonna do one I did with Fedora. Airbnb for dog kennels. Surely it gets me to sign in. Yep. I'm surprised like I haven't seen anyone talk about this app. I can't remember where I came across it, but let's make this bigger for everyone. What should we call it? Kennel BNB. Project type. Marketplace. Oh, we can make a social network. That'd be cool. Airbnb for dog kennels. We're gonna go. Let's do light mode. Frigate. They give you 100 marbles to start off with, and it costs 50 marbles to make this site. It's pretty good. So I can make 2 free sites. I don't know, like it'd be really good if they allow feedback and further editing. I don't know if that's true. What's it called? This one is marbilism. What's the other one you mentioned? GPT Engineer. Oh, cool. They make user stories. You want to list the available dog kennels, upload images with details of my dog, search for kennels by location. Sounds good. You're welcome, Joker. Thanks for the follow. Why did I try marbilism? I test these tools for a living at TechFriend. That's nice UI, just a little bit of UI. Got a Discord? I'll join their Discord. I've been joining so many Discords, I need a way to manage them. Did anyone try Interpreter on Linux? No, but it should work. It's generating the database schema for my dog kennel B&B. Let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna fake some Twitch engagement. Does that work? I think so. What's up, Twitch family? Okay. Yeah, we got the database. That's pretty sick. So you can go through and like edit the database, change something. It even tells you like which one's a primary key and stuff. But we're just gonna leave it. And then I think the next one was the pages, so it tells you which pages it's gonna create and how you can change it, and if you want to change it and stuff. Super cool. While it's doing that, we can read TikTok comments. Is this faster than Olama? Oh, this is faster than Olama, apparently. Llama file? Really? Okay, 14 pages suggested for the dog kennel. Login, register, reset password, notifications, profile, kennels, search kennels, kennel details, my dogs, add dog. My dogs again. Why is there two my dogs? Page allow user to edit the details of a dog. Page allow user to view all their dogs. I'm gonna delete this one. Well, the path is interesting though. User dogs. Dog and you. Yeah, let's delete my dogs. And we'll delete add dogs because we want add dogs in the my dogs. There's two my bookings as well. Bookings ID. No, we'll delete these two as well. My dogs, my bookings. Nice and simple. Next. Looks very cool. Yeah, I'm really liking this user interface for sure. Sam McAllister says one job that humans will have in the future that we don't have now is reviewing machine data. Brilliant answer. That's actually good. So he's thinking outside of the box. JW, what's up? Windows Communication Foundation. Oh yeah. We talked about that on stream. Use AI to generate 3D objects to make it. Dude, I've been actually thinking about this. I've actually thought about this. I thought it'd be very hard to achieve, but every day it becomes more realistic. They've asked use AI to generate 3D objects for my game. So like every time you play it, there's like new objects generated, or you have like the user like create objects. I thought about that. I think it'd be so cool, but it'd be kind of hard to do. Sick. Shouts out everyone on TikTok. We got some YouTube comments as well. Toprak says my job is to hunt down rogue AGI. That's sick. YC Shermer, thanks for the follow. Khalid Hassan, thank you, bro. Oh, so many nice people. This video is done a lot better than a lot of my other videos. Like, I know it's not much compared to all the big creators, but 152 views in 7 hours is like pretty decent for a YouTube video for me. Yeah. We have Instagram comments as well. Am I on the right page? Yes. 2 comments. Can I filter by comments here? I cannot. Here's a comment. You can literally ask ChatGPT. Does it support other languages? Oh, I haven't tried. Where is that? Oh my god, it doesn't even show it. The web applications for TikTok and IG are shit. Oh, that's cool. Oh, it's ready. Look at that. That was under 10 minutes. We have the dog kennel B&B. Even made a logo. Let's launch the preview. They even give you a code editor, an online code editor. And you can invite yourself to the code base. Oh no, they still haven't deployed it. But if I add my username, whoa, you have access to the code base. Crazy. How cool is that? That's cool. I haven't seen any other project give you access to a private GitHub from a prompt to generated website. That's really sick. Let's have a look at the code. There's a web and a server. Looks like it's some kind of JavaScript, Next.js, excellent. That is my preferred framework, and the back end is Docker. Ooh, not my preferred framework, but still good. Docker is a very strong language. Looks like it's still some kind of JavaScript. Probably Node.js Express with Docker, I'd assume. Or maybe server-side Next. I don't know. What is it? Bootstrap? Man's got Bootstrap? I don't know. I can't figure it out, but Joker says yuck. Very cool. Can it also deploy? Yes, Top Rack. It is deploying right now. May take up to 5 minutes. Yeah, and you can even edit in their code browser. I don't know where this goes. Let's click it. We'll find out. This may take up to 1 minute. So it deploys your own code browser. Hope that doesn't cost me any tokens. I don't think so. Docker is for containers, isn't it? Yeah, blood. That's why it's so powerful, because it works on any system, innit? Just Dockerize the container still. Yeah, gee. Should we look at something else while we wait? What else we got? What else? Marbilism. That's kind of what we're doing. I've never used MemGPT. I kind of wanted to try it out. What's this? This looks like something we could potentially do. Another research. Oh, this was shit. No, I think I did do this. So, wait, did I do this, Cerebrum? I think so. I think I yeah. I tested that. It wasn't good. I don't know how that still got here. These are kind of conversational voice AIs, which I'll probably test all of them in one stream. Oh, I guess this one as well. Llama Final on Android's a good question. These are sites to acquire other websites. Pythagora with local GPT, very interesting question. Keyflow Space. Message me on TikTok. Build and deploy AI-powered workflows for your business. Oh, cool. It's one of those no-code platforms. Very nice landing page for creating AI workflows. What's the pricing? They don't say. Maybe it's free. Probably not. Why don't they tell you the pricing? Maybe it is free. Crab says, have you checked the new UI update from Multion? I have not. I'm sure Div's posted about it. Div Garg 9. When did he post last? No, what is it? What's the new UI? He hasn't posted anything about the UI. We have achieved self-improving agents. Crazy. Let's go, Multion. They've merged branches. You can use Pythagora of open source LLM. Yes. Yeah. Have you used it, Joker? I was about to. I have their docs here. It's something that I want to do, but I haven't gotten around to it. There's like a new Teach Me tabs. Oh, cool. I remember they did have a teach me mode before, but I guess maybe it's better now. Tarek says apparently only one guy made Duvika in 3 days. Awesome. Did you use Notion Q and A feature? No, I haven't. Yo, thanks for the follow. Equals. PH dust. PhD dust. Nice. Oh, what? It didn't deploy. Something went wrong. No. No, my app. Token usage is bad. I gave one prompt and it used all your tokens. Damn. Irvin, hey, thanks for the heart. Welcome. Joker says they've used Pythagora with OpenAI but saw the docs for open source. Yeah, same. I think it's a pretty good tool. I wonder how good it'll be with an open source model, especially 7B model. I assume not very good, but only time will tell. Yeah, I'll probably just let this finish and then Nitty, thanks for the follow. Nifty, sorry. Nifty Ordinals. We'll probably wrap up the stream. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or anything, let me know. Make sure you're on the Discord. And as always, all the past YouTube streams, including this one, you can watch on my YouTube channel in the live tab here. Whoops. Where did that go down? What? Oh, apparently F3. Live tab here. Scrolls down on Chrome. I don't know. Didn't know that. Yeah, live tab. All my past streams. Which one's a good one? They're all kind of interesting in their own ways. Depends what you're interested in. Maybe like a really old one. I want to show you guys something. Something that not many people know, because this is when I didn't have many followers. I was making my own kind of code interpreter thing. Kind of. I called it AJI, Software Engineer Agent, and I did like a really long stream working on it, I think. Where is it? Here, I forked this thing called Agent GPT. Oh shit, Mohammed Salah. Thanks for the follow. Clickless? Nah, even before Clickless. I'm trying to show you. So there's this thing called Agent GPT. Do I show it in this? Surely. Okay, yes, here it is. It's like a web UI. It was made with Next.js. I renamed it to AJI, and I told it like coding things, like write a JavaScript file to print hello world. And eventually we got there. Maybe this is like the first video. So, oops, maybe not in the first video, but if we skip forward, this was like literally a year ago. Crew AI is pretty good for agents, yeah. But I like having like a user interface built. Whereas Crew AI, it's like got to do a bit of coding and stuff. Same with agent AutoGen. Here, maybe this. Building AI that can code. Wait, why doesn't this have? Okay, here we go. Wait, is this not? Do I show it? Eventually I got it kind of working. Here. Node hello world. And then see, it's actually got the output from the terminal and stuff. And this is all through the web. And I did this April 17, 2023. So almost a year ago. Pretty much like 3 weeks less than a year ago. Crazy. Good times. But yeah, I haven't really touched that project in a year. But yeah, just a little interesting thing. I've been streaming for pretty much a year now, kind of seriously. Yeah, so there's a little bits of nuggets. Oh, our app is deployed. Let's go. Joao is working on AI, on a UI. Yes, he made. Actually, no, I haven't seen his UI. I've seen his CLI kind of thing. Anyway, let's see our app, our dog kennel marketplace. You ready? I'm excited. I'm excited for this dog kennel marketplace. Let's see. Oh, you can give it feedback. Awesome. Change the title to Hello World. Oh my god, it's just black. Why is it just black? No errors in the console. Maybe I have to press. How would you rate your generated app 1 star? It's just a black screen. Oh wait, it just loaded. Maybe I had to wait. Okay, it just loaded. Guess looks like I had to wait. Okay, I had to sign in. So okay, it took a while to load, and I accidentally gave it 1 star a bit too early. Sick. Welcome to Marbilism. Okay, I guess that's just their default landing page, default account. And go kennels. Kennels. Doesn't do anything. Oh no, here we go. It's just a bit slow. It's just very slow. Browse kennels. Placeholder images, that's fine. Cool. A little tiled view of kennels. Search kennels. Give it some time because it's slow. Okay, I'm gonna search. Go San Francisco. Search. My bookings. Not too impressed, but I do like the fact, I do like a lot of things about it. I like how it gave us the UI. It gave us the code. I like how it deployed it. I like that it's full stack, and I like that it can take feedback. And those are all very important. Those are actually more important than it looking good first try, because we can give it feedback now, hopefully, and be like, add a dark mode switch. I don't know. This is semi-complex. GPT Engineer was able to do this. Can Marbilism do this? It's a good foundation. Exactly, Joker. It's like, it would probably save most people time. But not everyone. Some people would probably get to this stage faster. Sweet. Look, it gives feedback just like GPT Engineer. I really like that. Let's see if it can implement this toggle, dark mode toggle. Okay, it's made a plan. I think it's gonna code it now. I think I just got someone's LinkedIn request. Let's see who it is. I'm gonna dox them live on stream. That's what you get. I'm sure they're aware of it. Yudish. What's up, Yudish? Yudish. Middlesex University. AI enthusiast. Let's go. Okay. Doesn't say code in progress. I mean, it does, but it doesn't have the spinner anymore. Oh no, there's a spinner here. Okay, we'll give it time. Give it time. Browse some Discord. Oh, it's typing more stuff. Changes are about to be applied. Okay, that's good. I might be incorrectly using interpreter because it should run simply. Yes, if installed correctly. Start a thread and ask for help if you need help. I just started this ask for help thread thing here. I don't know. Hopefully that'll be useful. We'll see. I don't know if it will. I'm sure you guys know of Matthew Berman. His Discord channel is pretty good, pretty active. AI assistant for football tactics. That's pretty cool. Interesting articles. Yo, Khaled says, man, in your last video, I have a problem copying the line related to Grok Cloud. Can you copy paste a line of code? Yeah, man. I can do that. I'll put it in the description for you. Actually. Grok. Actually, I don't know if I actually removed that API key, so I'm gonna remove them now. That's the wrong console. Console.grok. Khaled, I'm gonna post it as a comment. I hope that's okay. API keys. Oh, I didn't. But plus my billing thing isn't even linked to this anyway, so it wouldn't make a difference. Anyway, it's deleted now. Is that what you wanted, Khaled? I guess I can send it on YouTube chat as well, since we're still waiting for... Why won't this send? Oh, it did send. Since we're still waiting for... Yo, Top Rag. Oh, you got the clickerless emoji. I was wondering what that was. That's sick. Shame it doesn't render on my screen. Did it render? Hold on, do I have it? Clickerless. Oh, I don't have it. As if I'm not a super member. Bro, it's bullshit. How'd you do that? Oh, here. Nice, I do have it. No, it doesn't render, does it? I'm waiting for it. Thanks, Khaled. No, it didn't render. That's bullshit, bro. Why doesn't my clickerless render? Oh, it just comes like this. That's so lame. Ooh, we got the Inception, Infinity Tech Friends. Infinity Stone. Okay, so the feedback actually takes a long time. I'm not sure if it's just stuck in a loop. Oh, running checks on the code. That's good. That's progress. Let it run. Pelumpung Semper, thanks for the follow. Just waiting on this marbilism thing to edit my website. Pause and relax. Pause and relax. That's actually a good name. I finally realized what that means. Pause and relax. Yeah, yeah. Pause and relax. Yeah, yeah. I need more logs. I just feel like it's not doing enough. You know? I'm gonna have to take up my time with something else. Let's see if there's any other quick wins here. Suno. Faraday Dev. Let's check this out. Someone mentioned this. I forgot what it was. I think it's like another kind of like inference server hosting software. Oh, it's text adventures for AI characters. So it's like a role play kind of thing. That's pretty cool, I guess. Oh, you can tether it to mobile. That's very cool too. Probably not something I'd be interested in doing anytime soon. Oh, that copied too much. Suno, we finished. Khaled says, can you send your social medias? It would be great to follow a tech person like you. Yes, Khaled, please check my bio. Go into my page. And here, Linktree. Click that Linktree button. All my socials are here up the top. And if you're really nice, you can donate to me with this donate PayPal button. Minimum $10 million. Oh, you could donate as much as you want. Donate. Whoa. Shouldn't have showed that. I really need to just get a dedicated streaming PC. Oh, by the way, I bought a dedicated streaming PC, but not in a good way. I bought it as a PC that would take the output from my graphics card on my main computer and stream off the dedicated stream PC. But it was just too shit. I bought like a really cheap one, and it couldn't even run OBS and TikTok Studio at the same time. What am I doing? Yo, is that Nick? Who is this? Yeah, Nick, what's up? We're testing this marbilism.com, which is a prompt to website. It set up a good foundation. It gave us all the code. I really like those two things. I gave it some feedback to add a dark mode toggle switch. And we've been waiting for at least 10 minutes. And I don't know if it's still working. There is this spinner, but I kind of think that it's kind of not working. So I've reached the point where I'm ready to give up. I'm going to refresh this. This is a double check. And if there's nothing changed, I think I might end the stream. So I'm sorry, Nick, but you probably came at the end of it. If you want to see it back, I did do a lot of cool stuff at the start of the stream, so please watch back the VOD. Can it build full stack apps like Pythagora? Yeah, full stack with a database and a server, but I don't think it's as deep as Pythagora goes. Like Pythagora goes pretty deep, asks you a lot of questions, but yeah. Joker says, get an Orange Pi or something. It has HDMI out. I need HDMI in. I mean USB in to stream from it. I don't think the Orange Pi is going to be beefy enough. Like I got a decent-ish computer and it wasn't good enough. Your codebase has been updated. Oh. Okay. So apparently the codebase has been updated. I don't see a dark mode toggle switch anywhere though. All right, still pretty cool. I like a lot of the ideas that this marbilism is doing, but obviously we need a long way to go, and it didn't like amaze me. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked this stream. Khaled says, do you play VR? I have Oculus Quest too. Not really. I have an Oculus Quest, but I don't use it. I think I'm actually going to sell it soon. But yeah, please watch back the VOD if you haven't seen it. Otherwise, I will be editing it, but it will be kind of late. Leo, thanks for all the gifts and comments. I'll see y'all later.